currently in Changi Airport, Foot Locker. I'm waiting for Justin and his sister to arrive, so I'm doing a little shopping by myself. And I saw that the shoes have got some sale. I'm so tempted. So I took the bus here, right? And then the bus dropped us off at some basement one. So we had to walk past like the luggage area to come into the shopping mall. And then when we walked past the luggage area, it was so empty. Like, wow, no one's traveling. Like the luggage belt area is also empty, like nobody. And it's so sad. Like, when can we travel again? We don't know. It's really weird and different seeing the airport so empty. So like definitely hoping that COVID situation will pass so we can all travel back to our families again. Yeah, definitely. Let me take you to a more closer look on the majestic waterfall. So there's like a lot of the 12 zodiacs around. And this little guy right here, I'm the piggy. Do you get a headache when you look at this? Huh? Don't you get a headache when you look at this? Ah, my head.
One ice. Ice cube. Ice Milo and 2 root beer with ice cream on top. 1 onion ring and extra $2 for the to get a cheese and chicken sauce for the fries. Yeah, sure.
Goodness. Botanical gelato. I know I want hojicha. Pistachio and hazelnut. Mine is hojicha and chrysanthemum. What is yours?
Lychee, raspberry, and pistachio.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm back from the airport. Today was a really nice day. We ate so much actually and did some shopping. I actually bought an eclair home, a black sesame flavored one, to enjoy after my shower when I watch Netflix. I'm gonna watch crime scene documentaries tonight and have this dessert, so it's gonna be nice. This is the black sesame dessert. Just try a little bit. It's good. In the black sesame, there's actually red bean inside. In the middle of the eclair, right there, the little red thing over there. The bottom looks like this. It's surprisingly nice. I normally don't like red bean paste, but this is good. I like it. I'm gonna be enjoying my little eclair with a Netflix night. I am watching. What am I watching? How do you see? What is this title again? I forgot. Yeah, Night Stalker. We're watching Night Stalker tonight.
6 to 8 murders
Good night.
and 25 to 30 attacks.